The Bengaluru Skills Summit, my colleague Meghna Sen spoke to Sanjeev Kumar Singh, the Chief Operating Officer of Ather Energy, about the trends in this festive season and the impacts of the GST cuts on the business. Listen.
No, I think it was pretty fantastic. We saw fantastic growth in all the markets, and I think that's something that the entire industry also saw. The overall electric growth also, if you look at during Festive, was very good, as well as the overall two-wheeler sales. So I think also for the larger industry, the GST incentives, so GST reduction, played a massive role in terms of giving a boost to overall spending, and hence the overall economy, I think, did very well during Festive. Riding on to that, I think electric vehicles also did fantastic on let's say, bank of various products that we have, that, as I mentioned, that the customers are liking it a lot. We also had a good Festive, is what I can tell you.
So any impact of GST? The recent GST cut has made the IC segment look a bit more attractive.
So if you look at, I think the story for electric and the story for Ather is upgrading Indian customers and the value that the customers get from when they buy the product. Of course, the GST cut has made, let's say, ICE slightly more cost-effective than what it used to be. But I think in the long run, the customers who want a certain feature, the customers who want a certain upgrade, the customers who want a certain experience will come, and that's how we see, in spite of that reduction in GST making ICE cheaper, customers are not running away from electric and our vehicles.
6% lower today. Ather Energy, of course, a couple of reasons for that. The shareholder lock-in coming to an end, and of course, a block deal worth over 850 crores taking place in the stock. At one point was down almost 11%. So some recovery from the lows. Take a short break. More news and updates on the other side. Stay tuned.